Man shot dead in St. Anne. Suspected getaway car seized after crash. Man shot dead in Poros. Quadruple murder in Trelawney. 2 women among victims. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police investigators in St. Anne are probing the shooting death of a 26-year-old man in Prairie in the parish on Sunday night. A vehicle which later crashed was seized by the police, and it is being theorized that it had earlier been used by the gunmen to carry out the crime. The deceased has been identified as Donovan Wilson, alias Adane, of Newbanks District in Prairie. Reports are that about 9 p.m., residents heard loud explosions coming from a section of the community and summoned the police. On their arrival, the police found Wilson lying in bushes along the roadway with gunshot wounds. He was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police are probing the murder of a man following a gun attack in Poros, Manchester on Monday night. Police named the deceased man as 25-year-old Jamarius Sewell, a resident of Redberry District near Poros. A police report stated that about 8:15 p.m., Sewell was among a group of people sitting on a veranda on McGill Street off Old Puros Road when they were attacked by gunmen. Police stated that the attackers assaulted another man before opening gunfire, hitting Sewell multiple times. Sewell was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. 4 people, including 2 women, were killed in a gun attack at a premises in Donvale, Trelawney on Monday night. The deceased have been identified as 51-year-old Cardell Graham, otherwise called Bia, of Donvale, Trelawney, 43-year-old Nicole White, otherwise called Sheena, of Donvale, Trelawney, 21-year-old Amelia Livingston, otherwise called Melia, of Kingsloss District in Trelawney, and 27-year-old Akeem Robinson, otherwise called Eddie, and Petro, of Kingsloss District in Trelawney. Reports from the Falmouth Police are that about 9:50 p.m., residents heard explosions and summoned them. On arrival of the lawmen, 4 adults were seen with gunshot wounds. They were pronounced dead at hospital. 4 children who were reportedly at home were unarmed.